just set it on the mill, and Dad's getting it pinned down right now. We're gonna cut it for door siding for these doors here. Those are hopefully going up this year, so we'll have plenty of siding for that. Then we got a oak order we got to fill. So I got 3 oak logs we got to mill for a trailer deck we're going to do, and then we'll be switching back to poplar to cut another trailer deck, and we need 2 oak beams for our other hay wagon back here. So I want to do just kind of some clips here and there of the milling. I know I ain't posted much on the milling in a long time, so I figured I'll try to get some video today while we're cracking at it. So anyhow, we'll catch you all here in a few minutes. I'll set you up somewhere you can watch the mill run. So we'll catch y'all here in a little bit. Got the upright end, working on the 3rd poplar log. We got these 3 to knock out before I call her a day. Well, I wasn't expecting doing this, but we're back to cutting trees since we ran out of wood. Got that one, that big stick dropped. He's getting the shit moved from there, throwing it in that brush pile. And we're gonna drop that big bastard right down this hill right here. That's a wad of shit right there. That's all oak too, so it's freaking heavy and it's wet. I swear sometimes Dad's losing it, but you know. He still got it. But I'm helping because I didn't want to see him up by himself trying to drop trees, so I got plenty to get done before spring. So, hopefully he does not take the front windshield out of the skid steer. That would be a bad day. That would make for an even worse day than losing the 362. Now, the old steel 362 bit the dust the last time we dropped trees. Not a good day. We had a little oopsie with this tree in particular, and yeah, wasn't a good day. But, well, we'll try to get the next drop on video. That one there was a little sketchy, so we'll see what we can get done on this big bastard here. I hope she comes straight down the hill, but at least in this general vicinity. Makes the cleanup a hell of a lot easier. But, alright, we'll get back here in a little bit. So we got those 3 oak logs cut up. Had a little mistake there. We cut them a little too short for the project that we got coming in. So we went and cut 3 more logs that are 16 foot long. We accidentally cut these at 13, but that's okay because we got another hay wagon we're gonna build. So here's the hay wagon right here in a pile, which is really nice white oak. It's very pretty. It's heavy, I will say, very heavy. So that make a good hay wagon bed. This weekend we're going to cut those 3 16-foot logs for the trailer projects that's coming in. And then I think Dad's going to work on cutting poplar this week. I'm getting ready to head out for training for a couple days. So he'll be able to handle the smaller logs. It's just the bigger logs that are kind of a pain. So that's why I've helped him, and I enjoy doing it. It's been a while since I've been up here and actually had a chance to do it. I've been working on all the farm equipment stuff and farming, so on that part of it. So another thing is, I don't know if I ever showed a video on this, but Dad bought a log grapple for our skid steer out at Bunyan this year when we was out at the Paul Bunyan show, which we go every year. So if you guys are out there and never see me, say hi. I haven't been videotaping anything lately. When I've been going out there, I just kind of go do that as my little vacation. So I just kind of go out there and enjoy it. So it's actually a really nice tool. We was looking at them. I said that would be really handy for sorting logs and just handling the log. Brush and getting them out of the woods, our Bobcat grapples do an awesome job, but I think this here would be a lot handier on loading the mill, and honestly, 10 times faster. It's a lot safer. There ain't 2 tines opening it up, just got the 1 grapple, and you can kind of rotate the log more, make more of an adjustment. This is I can't even pronounce it. I think that is a European name, but it works really good. I mean, I'm very, very pleased with it. Only thing we had trouble with is getting the damn hoses. They came with some tractor hoses for tractor auxiliaries and tractor couplers, like Pioneer style. So we had to get skid steer style and then redo the hoses. And of course, this being European, it was metric fittings, so we had to get those ordered and fight with that. But we got her pretty well buttoned up now. We wanted to leave these loose off to the side so we could have a little more tilt to it. We were going to tie wrap it all up, but we figured the Kevlar will work good for protecting the hoses. And we use the piss out of it to load this mill up and sort the yard out and stuff. And I mean, it's a really nice grapple. This is a nice addition we got at the Bunyan this year. So makes our sawmilling process a lot easier, which we've been running this the last couple of years. I just haven't had much time to videotape it. And it's just kind of been whenever we have time to do anything. So, and we got barn doors there, hay wagon there. There's that part of the loft out there, that part of the bay is all full of lumber out there. And then we're going to cut that trailer deck. We got another trailer to do. And then we will probably start dropping more poplar this fall and mill this winter for the new barn that's going out back, so we can store equipment in, because we're getting a pretty good collection of equipment around here, so we need another barn. So anyhow, I'm going to end this video. Hope you all enjoy the little clips. I'll get some more when we start doing the 15 or 16 footers out there. And then whenever we get the yard all cleaned out, I'll do an update video on that. So anyhow, please comment, rate, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more.